How to plant soybeans in pots to harvest fast for beginners. Soybean is known by the scientific name Glycemax elmeril. Is a legumiary pod plant, in the form of a low shrub, tumbly erect, and leafy. Plant height ranges from 30 cm to 100 cm. The trunk is segmented with 3 to 6 branches. Soybean has taproot roots. Oval-shaped soybean leaves. Soybean plants have perfect flower with purple or white. In Indonesia, soybean plants generally start flowering at age 30 to 50 days after planting. Soy-shaped soybean fruit, each pod contains 1 to 4 seeds. Seeds are generally round or rounded oval rounded round. Seed color varies, among others, yellow, green, brown, and black. Soybeans are widely used in the manufacture of tempeh, soy sauce, and milk. Soybean has several local names, including bean feathers, gadla, chilug, and soybean. Scientific classification of soybeans. Kingdom, Platy. Division, Spermatophyta. Subdivisions, Agiospermi. Class, Dicotyledonnae. Order, Polypetals. Family, Legumiaceae. Subfamily, Papilioideae. Genus, Glyce. Species, Glyce maximum. Here's how to plant soybeans in pot to be fast harvest for beginners more. 1. Terms grow soybean. In Indonesia, soybean plants can grow well in the lowlands to areas with an altitude of 1200 meters above sea level. The optimum temperature for soybean plant growth is about 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall ranges from 150 mm to 200 mm per month with solar irradiance 12 hours per day, and an average humidity of 65%. Phase for soybean growth and rhizobium bacteria is 6.0 to 6.8. 2. Seed soy seed selection. Seed quality determines the quality of soybeans as well. Therefore, in order to provide satisfactory results, must be selected soybean varieties that suit the needs, able to adapt to the conditions of planting media, has a fast and uniform grow power and meet good quality seed standards. 3. Preparation place planting and media planting soybeans. Plants that need to be prepared can be pots, polybags or containers that have not been used with a minimum size of about 30 centimeters, the bottom of the planting place given a hole for water to flow. Prepare planting media in the form of a mixture of soil, manure or compost, rice husk and charcoal with a ratio of 1:1 appeal 1. All these materials sifted to obtain a smooth planting medium, stir until all the ingredients are well blended. In addition, also add urea fertilizer about 3 spoons per planting pot. If it is, then enter the planting medium to the pot or polybag planting. After that, do enough watering and let stand. 4. How to plant soybean in pot or polybag. If everything is ready, immediately do the planting. Make a planting hole but not too deep so as not to inhibit the growth of sprouts. Then enter about 4 seeds of soybeans per polybag planting. 5. How to care for soybean in pot or polybag. Perform watering every 10 days for normal temperature and can be increased if high temperatures to keep freshness. Do not get stagnant because it can cause plant decay. Fertilize using urea, TSP and KCl fertilizers with a ratio of 1:2:1 or according to the needs of the plant. Fertilization is done for 3 periods, namely basic fertilization, after 25 days of planting and when soybean plants aged 40 to 45 days after planting. 6. Soybean harvest period. Harvesting of soybeans can be done when the soybean plant's aged 75 to 100 days after planting or after leaves and pods begin yellowing and falling out. So we are discussing about how to plant soybeans in pots to harvest fast for beginners. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.